Hey y'all, it's really TT. Thanks so much for coming to my channel. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get into this cooking video. Thank you so much for coming in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, I just want to say thank you so much and hit me with a thumbs up too. All right, y'all, I appreciate y'all so much. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this candle that I just lit. It smells so good and calming, y'all. It smells so good. It got the kitchen smelling really good. And y'all, guess what? I got a new cutting board. I love this cutting board. It's so cute. Look at it. I can't wait to show y'all. Look at the details on it. I got it from Ross, y'all. I got it from Ross. Yeah, I got it from Ross. Only $7.99. I did get some soap from Amazon. 4 came in pack for like $14. And go ahead and clean up this cutting board real quick before I use it. We are going to be making cabbage and kale stir fry for dinner. I actually get this from Panda Express every so often, and I got some more knives from Ross as well too. Y'all, these knives are so sharp. When I tell you they sharp, they are sharp. They are sharp. They are so sharp. My kids in the background, I'm back here talking to them as well. And I made some cookie dough as well too. We're gonna do that later. So let me go ahead and get into, cutting this stuff up, and I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. Please wash your produce. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now and make a crab dip, and I'm just using the rest of these onions to cut up so that I can add it to the crab dip. I'm so excited. I made this before and it came out really good, so I wanted to make it again. Y'all, cutting onions is not for the weak. I said I need another onion cutter, but it's okay. This knife is working out pretty good for me. chocolate chips too early to where my dough was still kind of warm from the butter, and unfortunately the chocolate chips had melted and I was so butthurt. I should have used the chocolate bark that I had, but it's okay because you know the dough was actually really good. I did put the dough in the refrigerator overnight. I was a little scared because my ice cream scoop is rather big. This is my mom's ice cream scoop that she used to use when she would bake, and I'm glad that I have it as well. But thanks, Mom, for the ice cream scoop. So we're gonna put these in the oven. I know they're gonna spread, but we're just gonna pray that it comes out right. I'm still working on my temperature settings, but fingers crossed, y'all, fingers crossed. As you can see, it came out good. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all soon. Have a wonderful day.